In our daily lives, we often come across electrical appliances, light bulbs, and wires. Usually, we call an electrician, and they handle everything. But there are some things we can do ourselves, and we'll show them to you right now. Remember to follow safety precautions when working with electricity. Place the metal jar lid against the board and drill a hole through both. Thread the power cable through the hole and connect the socket. Screw the socket to the board, securing the lid. Screw in the bulb and thread the glass jar onto the lid. Done! An outdoor light that's not afraid of snow and wind. Hacksaw blade broke? Don't rush to throw it away. Place a utility knife blade against it, mark the needed length and cut off the excess. Drill a hole in the blade and align it with the hole in the utility knife blade. Insert a bolt and tighten the nut on the reverse side. You've got a handy tool for stripping wire insulation. Take the upper half of a plastic bottle. Wrap the pipe edge with electrical tape to increase the diameter. Put the bottle on the pipe and insert a bulb inside. Now you can easily screw and unscrew bulbs on high ceilings. Light fixture not working? Don't rush to throw out the bulb. Unscrew the bulb and remove the plastic cover. Find the burnt out LED and carefully pry it out with a utility knife. Roll a ball of foil and insert it in place of the LED, securing it with tape. Reassemble the bulb and screw it into the fixture. Everything works. Connected wires but ran out of electrical tape? Heat up a plastic bottle cap with a lighter until it softens. Tightly wrap the wire with the melted plastic. You've got reliable insulation. Take a flashlight and secure it to the glass's frame with zip ties. Now you can work in the dark with your hands free for repairs. Outdoor switch in the rain. Protect it from moisture. Cut off the top part of a plastic bottle and make a side cut. Put the bottle on the switch. Now it's protected from bad weather and you can control it through the neck. Broke a light bulb but the base stayed in the socket? Heat the neck of a plastic bottle with a torch and insert it into the socket. Wait for the plastic to harden and unscrew the bulb remains from the socket. Split the stranded wires into 2 parts each. Thread the strands of one wire through the other and twist them together. You've got a strong connection that's impossible to pull apart. Take a plastic paint bucket and screw it to the wall. Melt a hole in the side and run the wires inside. Mount the outlet inside the bucket. Now you can plug in devices and close the lid. The outlet is protected from rain. Take a large plastic canister and a plumbing pipe. Cut a through hole in the middle of the canister and insert the pipe. Cut out round pieces for handle holders. Make holes in the pieces, put them on the pipe and glue them together for strength. Drill a hole in the canister lid and thread the cable inside. Make a hole in the pipe and secure the wire. Install the handles on the pipe. Run the cable out and connect the power strip. Wind the cable inside the canister. A handy portable reel for outdoor work is ready. Cut a window in the side of a plastic bottle. Insert an extension cord with plugs connected inside. Now you can work in the rain, water won't get on the contacts. No wire stripping tool? Take a regular stapler. Clamp the wire with a staple and pull, the insulation comes off easily. Damaged insulation on a wire? Apply hot glue to the exposed section. The cable is repaired and safe to use. Take 2 cable clips and put them on one nail facing each other. Hammer in the nail and clamp the cable between the clips. You've got a secure mount. Can't insert stranded wire into a ferrule? Pull the strands together with a plastic zip tie, insert into the ferrule and cut off the tie. Done! Connecting stranded and solid wire directly is unreliable. Don't do it like this. Make a loop from the stranded wire around the solid wire and wind it to the end. Clamp the solid wire with pliers. You've got a strong connection. Drill 2 side holes and 1 large hole on top and a bottle cap. Thread the wires through the side holes and twist them inside. Clamp the cap in a vise and heat it with a heat gun. You've got reliable waterproof insulation for the connection. Drill a hole in the bottom of an aluminum can and pour out the contents. Remove the top lid of the can. Make a vertical cut on the side. Cut off the tip of a large syringe and thread the wire with socket through. Glue the socket to the syringe and the syringe to the aluminum can. Screw the bulb into the socket. A handy handheld light for working in the dark is ready. Wires in a homemade plug don't hold securely. Secure them with plastic zip ties inside the housing, changing the tension angle. Now the connection is strong. And finally, a bonus idea. Outlet got dirty? Spray WD-40 on the cover and wipe with a cloth. The outlet looks like new again. That's all for today. See you next time.